Day for couples painting with Patty and him from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today we want to show you a new cart that we purchased at Michael's that is holding all of our paints right now that we've mixed up, and through today it's on sale at Michael's for $49.99. We think it's a good deal, and it seems to hold a lot of painting stuff.
32
tall
bottles on each shelf of this size paint bottles. You can see that's a pretty good size, and they just slip right in there. 32 per shelf, so I mean it depends how much you have. We have more paint to be mixed up, but at this time or not, you can see.
The baskets don't come with it. Yeah. The size is 25 long, 11 wide, and 32 tall. Like I said, the baskets don't come with it, but it was pretty easy to put together. It seems pretty sturdy. I mean, there's no problem with it holding all of those bottles. We purchased it at Michael's. It's just on sale through today at the $49.99 price.
It's real easy.
Yeah, it's easy to move from place to place, and since we do our painting in the kitchen, we store that in our dining room and just move it into the kitchen when we need it. So we just thought we would share with you this idea. Like we said, we think it's a good deal. It is going to be $100 starting tomorrow. So we'll put it on today. We'll put the video on today, so you might have a chance to run to Michael's and get it, or buy it online.
Yeah, Michael's sells a little smaller one they have in the store all the time, but it doesn't hold very much paint, you know. I mean, it holds, maybe it's about half the size of this one. And it's like, I don't know, 30 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. So
yeah, and we did take the little, what would you call those things, the side cups or whatever to store stuff in. We did take those off the other one, but the other one actually we bought at Sam's.
And
they don't have them anymore.
I'll put something on, just put a hook on here, you hang it on the side. These things, I guess you can get them about anywhere. They just clip on and off, and
yeah, so
that's it.
We thought we would share this with you. We thought it was a good deal, and we're really pleased with how many bottles it holds.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is Patty and him doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.